While gaming desktops might be a bit more complicated than the Xbox Series X and the PS5, buying a pre-built desktop computer isn't too different from buying a new console, especially with us to help guide you. And in this video you'll find our recommendations for the best gaming PC that we've tested. So let's get started. Number 4. Corsair One i300, Best Mini Gaming PC. You might think a gaming PC this small surely couldn't be that powerful, but size doesn't matter when it comes to computers. The Corsair One i300 might be mini, but it's mighty with Intel Core i9 to 12900K and NVIDIA RTX 3080. With all that power, you'll be able to simultaneously play games at 4K and a high frame rate. Plus, it has plenty of storage for your favorite games and memory to keep everything running smoothly. The Corsair One i300 is a pre-built gaming PC that offers great value for the price. The Corsair One i300 is a great choice for gamers who are looking for a high-performance PC that doesn't break the bank. You won't have to worry about it getting as hot as the nuclear power core it resembles either. That's because this compact rig features liquid cooling of the CPU and GPU, while a high airflow fan exhaust pushes all the heat through the top like a chimney. Number 3. Alienware Aurora R13, Best High-End Gaming PC. If you're ready to splurge, then check out the Alienware Aurora R13. Inside its head-turning design is some serious PC gaming hardware, with an Intel Core i9 to 12900K CPU and NVIDIA RTX 3090 Ti graphics. With those two high-end components, you're going to have plenty of muscle to handle whatever kind of gaming you want to throw at this system. Whether you're targeting high frame rates at 4K or encoding videos in mere minutes, this rig is well built for the task. This Alienware machine is also well fitted with plenty of storage, giving you 2 TB of high-speed NVMe storage to run the OS and all your favorite games. With 64 GB of DDR5 memory, you'll also have no trouble multitasking. The Alienware Aurora R13 is a powerful machine that can handle any task you throw at it. The CPU is fast, and the GPU is even faster, making this a great choice for gamers or anyone who needs a lot of power. The RAM is also plenty for most users, and the storage is both fast and spacious. The only downside is the weight, as this thing is a beast. But if you can handle the weight, the Aurora R13 is an excellent choice. Number 2. iBuy Power SlateMesh Gaming Desktop, Best Budget Gaming PC. The iBuy Power SlateMesh Gaming Desktop is a great choice for gamers who are looking for top-of-the-line performance. It's packed with high-end components, including an Intel Core i7 to 12700F CPU, NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU, and 16GB DDR4 RAM. Plus, it has plenty of storage space with a 500 GB SSD and 1 TB hard disk, and it's relatively lightweight for a gaming desktop at just 38 pounds. This desktop is great for gaming. It has a really powerful CPU and GPU that can handle any game you throw at it. The RAM is also great for multitasking, and the storage is really fast. The only downside is the weight, but it's still manageable. Adding more value to this well-rounded rig are the included RGB keyboard and mouse, so there are 2 peripherals you don't need to worry about investing in. Number 1. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. This computer is a great investment. It has a lot of features that are perfect for gamers as well as general computer users. The visuals are amazing, and the speed is incredible. I would highly recommend this to anyone in the market for a new computer. I love my new Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. It's a great gaming PC that can handle any game I throw at it. The RTX 3060 is a great GPU, and the 16 GB of RAM is more than enough for gaming and other activities. The 256 GB SSD is also great for storing games and other data. The 1 TB hard disk is also great for storing media and other data. The only downside is the size and weight, but it's still a great gaming PC. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i also comes well built with standard components and a tempered glass panel to show off your hardware. And all that hardware should remain reasonably cool with an intake fan behind a mesh panel for ample airflow. That 12th gen Intel processor also offers high-end performance, toting single and multi-threading for all the computing power you'll need, from your daily tasks to streaming and recording.